What is Movement Center? Well, Movement Center is a collaborative co-working space with multiple nonprofits kind of from all over Charlotte. There's about 7 different nonprofits that work out of everything from mentoring with youth to a health clinic to working with the homeless. A local church also meets out of here. It really is working kind of in this community as a collaborative co-working space where multiple nonprofits can kind of house under the same roof. The way that the Movement Center works is we have all of these organizations, and what we found is that there's a lot of nonprofits in the city that all need space. And the problem is, as you can tell in this environment, real estate is really, really expensive. And so what we do is we subsidize their rent. And so it just means that they actually get to use more of the money that they've been gifted back into the thing that they're called to do.